Hey there, if you're looking for a mini mic to take your audio to the next level, please hear me out about this mini mic. I absolutely love it. I have a social media account and make videos indoors, outdoors. So especially for outdoors, sometimes my voice gets lost in the background noise, and even for indoors, you just want sometimes your audio to be really crispy clear. The selling point for me was how small it was, how good the audio is, and that you can actually connect it to your phone without this transmitter per se. I just decided to go for the whole set. I just love the case. So it automatically charges in here once you put it in there. Once you take the transmitter out and one of these mics, it automatically connects, so you don't have to do anything. This is how it comes. So I have the one with the transmitter, the two mics, and then it comes with some additional I don't know how you call these fluffy things, but you get 4 of these. So this is just the normal one you can use indoors just to make the audio a little bit softer, right? Sometimes when you pronounce the S sound a bit harsh. And these ones are for when you're outside, when there's a lot of wind. So that is very nice. You also get your cables, of course. It also comes with a little pouch. I love it. Look how nice, clean and sleek this looks. Now let me plug it in for you. I have an older iPhone, so I did purchase this separately, this part, because you get it with this USB-C. You can actually adjust the audio. So now it is just on the standard setting. You can bring it up or bring it down. So and now I see that it is connected to this mic. Look how cute it looks. That's not the point, but it looks so cute. Actually has a little clasp, but it also has a magnet, so you can just clip it onto your clothing like this, or you use the little magnet like this. Now another thing real quick, if you have the one with the two mics, you can choose if you want to record it as one, or if you want to record these two mics as two separate recordings, so to say. I love how sleek it looks. I love how small it is. I love the battery hasn't run out on me yet while using it. It goes a long way. The only thing I do have to tell you is that I thought that you can just connect this mic through Bluetooth to your phone and then just use the standard camera in your phone, but that's not the case. Okay, you actually need an app. So an app, I think is a free app. I haven't tried it out yet. I just then use the transmitter. So that's something that you have to check out. Otherwise, you can use this straight directly without the transmitter if you have the DJI Pocket 3 or the Osmo 5. No, not Osmo 5, Action 5. Yes. I would say if you want a great small microphone, does the job perfectly when it comes to everyday recordings, then definitely check this one out. I am generally a big fan of DJI. I think their products are overall amazing, good quality, and in case you don't want it anymore, it has a great resale value as well. So anyway, long story short, if you are considering picking up a mic to take your videos, your audio to the next level, definitely check this one out.